Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating the ClickFunnels affiliate system. This system allows you to share funnels and earn commissions, which can be a great source of income. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign up for ClickFunnels. If you haven't already, the first step is to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. Visit the ClickFunnels website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill out the required information and create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Access the affiliate program. Once you are logged into your ClickFunnels account, locate the Account drop-down menu in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on Affiliate Program. This is where you can manage your affiliate settings and track your earnings. Step 3. Set up your affiliate profile. In the affiliate dashboard, you'll need to complete your affiliate profile. This includes providing your payment information so ClickFunnels can send you your commissions. Make sure to double-check your PayPal or bank account details for accuracy. Step 4. Get your affiliate links. After your profile is set up, it's time to get your affiliate links. Browse through the various ClickFunnels products and click the Get Link button beside each product you want to promote. Each link is unique to you, so make sure to save them for sharing. Step 5. Share your funnels. To share your funnels, you'll first need to create or choose a funnel from your ClickFunnels account. After selecting a funnel, look for the Share Funnel button. You will generate a shared link that you can send to others. This link will also allow you to earn commissions if someone decides to sign up through your funnel. Step 6. Promote your links. Now that you have your affiliate links and shared funnels, it's time to promote them. Use social media platforms, your blog, or email marketing to reach your audience. Share your personal experiences with ClickFunnels to increase trust and encourage conversions. Step 7. Track your performance. In the affiliate dashboard, regularly check your performance metrics. Here, you can see how many people are clicking on your links and how much commission you've earned. This will help you optimize your promotional strategies. Step 8. Learn and optimize. As you progress, don't forget to continuously learn more about affiliate marketing and funnel sharing. The ClickFunnels community is a great resource where you can connect with other affiliates and share tips and tricks for success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.